Well, we are here at the Potato Head and Seminyak, and I'll give you guys a quick little room tour. This hotel is separated into studios and suites, and we're on the suite side. So, welcome to 401. Mini bar. Everything here is complimentary. They've got fresh drinks. Pretty cool little cocktail setup menu for you to make your cocktail. Stock the room with ice. It's always a big deal. A lot of hotels miss that detail. Got some snacks here. Mini bars down here. All of this stuff is also complimentary. Not much, but still something. Kind of closet area. Come and place your bags in your room. Your living room, office, work area, space. Nice little green on the wall. This is one of the ocean villas. Some happy birthday stuff. Little cake and card. Here you got an ocean view. Kind of like a partial ocean view. Little seating area. Kind of grab a book and read a little bit. So Potato Head is like this hotel built on sustainability. Right there, the little mural right there is nothing but plastic flip-flops. And then all this stuff is reclaimed wood shutters that they've used to help decorate around the hotel. Hotel's really nice. Pretty impressed so far. The bed area, patio. Very spacious. A little bit of construction happening. And then we've got our bathroom area. Shower, bathtub. Got amenities here for you. Yeah, super nice. I'm impressed. First time at Potato Head, and I like it. This is definitely a hotel for people to come. Hotel staff has been nice so far. I went and hung out at the not the beach club, but the beachfront area. They have some cabanas, like lounge couches and umbrellas and whatnot, right next to the pool. It was very nice. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. The service was okay. You know, I kind of had to do one of these to get somebody to kind of pay attention that maybe I needed a refill on my drink. But other than that, everything's been great so far. So yeah, Potato Head, Seminyak, A+ so far. For sure, I recommend. Well, about to leave Potato Head and on to the next one. Ritz-Carlton, Mandapa Reserve in Ubud. It's gonna be a completely different vibe than here. This place was fun. Definitely come back.